Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a precise Google font family and the weights you actually need. This reduces download size and speeds rendering. Once chosen, make sure to select only the character sets you require. You will decide between a standard family and a variable font. Variable lets you use many weights with a single file. Finally, note the fallback system fonts you'll list in CSS so text stays readable while the web font loads. Now add the font to your pages. Copy the provided link into your head or paste the import at the top of your main CSS file. Both load the font. Make sure the request includes chosen weights and the parameter display equals swap so text remains visible during loading. Use the exact font family string that Google lists, then apply it in a simple rule like body font family. Your font, System UI, sans serif to confirm rendering. Finish by optimizing. Consider rel equals per load for critical fonts and always include font display. Swap in your CSS to prevent layout jank. If the font doesn't appear, inspect the network panel for 200 responses and verify you requested the correct weight files. Mismatched names cause fallback. Also confirm no cores or ad block interference. If problems continue, temporarily list a closed system fallback while you fix path, family name, or parameters so the site stays usable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.